Ford F-150 2015 and newer model with the center jump seat. Underneath the jump seat there's a pretty large opening, and this organizer is custom built to fit in that space. In this kit you get two of the pieces that go front to back, and then you get two of the big dividers and one small divider. When you go to put this together, pay attention. This here is the back end, and what we're going to do is put that together first. And these pieces have two different angles. There's a larger angle here and a smaller angle here. What you're going to want to do is take the larger angle for each of these dividers and put that towards the driver's side. Simple, you just put it together until it bottoms out. Then do the same thing. Larger angle goes to the driver's side. Same as the first one. Push that all the way down. And then on the smaller piece, this has the larger angle too. This goes to the driver's side. Now you've got those three pieces connected and bottomed out. And then just take the other piece that goes front to back and line those three up. And take them and push them all the way down until you hear it bottom out all the way around. And then for this one, what I like to do, since it doesn't have a flat bottom, flip it upside down so you have the flat bottom, and just make sure everything is solid. Actually, it goes this way. And that way, when it is installed, everything will be perfect. Then flip it over. And this one's very simple. You just move it over, straddle a little bump in the back there, and it'll slide all the way to the back. And then just push it down, and it drops in place, and it's very tight front to back, left and right. Fits all the contours exactly.